Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nadine. I am the owner of Neys Rustic Script, and today I want to invite you to come and make these pretty little flowers with me. The first thing that we did was cut these out in a rosa. We sanded them down and they wanted a purple flower and a blue flower. We added some white details to make them look 3D. Now we're working on the shading, which is such a fun part because every single flower is unique. I also love to incorporate some line work, and I do that using my Painter's brand markers that I absolutely love. And I guess the most fun part about making these flowers is adding the personalized names. These flowers are going to be for two beautiful little girls, and these are going to be added for Easter baskets. Isn't that fun? And I'm not gonna lie, I do have a Cricut machine and I could easily make these with a stencil, but you know what? Hand lettering was how I started my business, and hand lettering is one of the things I am not giving up. And although hand lettering does leave room for 0 errors, I absolutely love the fact that every single one is made with my own hand printed letterwork. I'm not gonna lie, using a Cricut machine does make it easier, but hand lettering is just super relaxing and I hold it dear to my heart. When I first started my business, all I really had was a marker like this, some few blank pieces of wood, some acrylic paint on hand, and let me tell you the incredible things that can happen when God gives you a talent and you just let it flow. It is incredible to see how God has blessed my business through art, and the absolute joy that I get to be able to share my creative process with you, growing my business with you, and also inspire you to create and decorate. I'm so happy that you are here. It is such a blessing that you have found my little corner here on YouTube. Now this is such a satisfying part. I love sealing these with a clear acrylic spray sealer that gives them a beautiful glossy finish and protects the artwork. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about these? These are also perfect for tier trays and for Easter baskets. Thank you for joining me. Feel free to like, comment, and share, and I will see you next time. Bye!